Hey guys, Rob from Expedition Team Overland here in the Alley Cat camper with an affiliate that's partnering up with the channel. Super happy to see this company. It's been around since the 1930s. It's Zarges. They're a German box company. They also make I think one of their parent companies makes ladders. But let's dive into the box and see what they sent me. First off, very sturdy box. This is the K470. Two huge, great handles. Well, great handle and two great latches to latch it up. So it has a little bit of a rubber seal around it. It is waterproof. I don't know about the submerging of it, whatnot, but I know you can throw these on the roof of the vehicle. They can handle the regulars of being outside, which is really nice. So first is a nice little T-shirt. I actually got two T-shirts. Gotta love T-shirts. Gotta love the T-shirts. Next is every Overlander never has enough patches and stickers. Patches, stickers. This is the blood and bones of the Overland network. So Frisbee. Oh, it's gonna be a great thing to have at camp. Be able to kill some time, have some fun downtime around the campfire. Make sure it doesn't go in the campfire so you don't burn it. Now, this is some pretty cool stuff. This is the first affiliate that I've worked with that does this type of stuff. They gave me a bunch of like business cards with my own QR code on the back, so I can give them out, and I get parts of the proceeds of my sale. So if you guys want to buy one of these Zarges cases, use my promo code. It helps the channel out, helps me get more content out to you guys and get out on the trails. Then I have just a bunch of flyers here on all their cases. They make cases for everything. They have they do a lot of stuff with the military, Patriot missile cases and stuff like that. But they're really trying to get into the Overland market. I think they have some inserts for the Starlink systems. This is another cool one. It's with my own QR code too. So if if I'm at an expo or something like this, I could put it up. People could scan and just buy it with my discount code. And just a bunch of other good literature. I'm old school. I love the paper stuff. I love my paper stuff to be able to read, and being online is fine and all that. But I like the paper. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for my promo code with Zarges, and can't wait to get this all loaded up, and let's get out on the trail. See you later.